We continue solving our task, and our next task, let's check. So our next task is actually evaluate division. So what does it mean? You are given an array of variables, some pairs, and some equations, a, b, and values, a divided by b equal to some value. Okay. You also given some queries, c divided by d, and we need to return results of these queries. And if we cannot calculate these queries, we should actually return -1. So the input is always valid. You may assume that evaluating the queries will not result in division by 0, and there is no contradiction. Okay, so let's check the first one. So we have some equations like a divided by b equal to 2, for example, then b divided by a is equal to 1, and then, b divided by c is equal to 1, then then c divided by h is equal to 3. And the question, how can we calculate the equation a divided by h? Actually, we can do it by making like a DFS call for our graph. So a divided by b multiplied by b divided by c actually will remove this b, and we have here 2 multiplied by 1, and it will be 2. Then we multiply c divided by h, and we remove this h, and we have a divided by h, and it would be 2 multiplied by 3, and the result would be 6. Okay. If we have a divided by a, then it would be a1. If we have a divided by x, then it would be -1 because we don't have any x here. Then b divided by a, it would be 2. Sorry, not 2, but 1 divided by 2. Yeah, because we need actually to reverse a divided by b by multiplying it on 1 divided by something. So we can actually do here. So we can create a map with integer where we have these equations. So we have this map, a divided by b, and yeah, and each of this equation actually should correspond to some values. So we have kind of maybe pair a divided by b and a divided by c. Okay, let me check. Okay, so I think that I need something like string to string, and here I have this map. Then I need another map, I think, with string divide by something would be integer. It would be vals. And here I have, for example, key like a divided by b, and it would be like 2, for example. And here I just know that a is that I can divide a by b. That I have this actually relationship between them. And also I think that I need some set of all possible string set string new hash set, and yeah, so I have these 3 operations. So what can I do? While I iterate from the equations, I actually should have results of double. It would be a result of new double equation size. Okay, and okay, yeah, then I can collect it everything. So here I collect, and then I have queries iteration, and I check all possible values except this one. So when I have such thing, then I need to do actually DFS. So I need also to implement integer DFS, and with DFS actually I have 2 strings, and I try to find actually these 2 strings. So I have string s and string q, or a and b. I have this map, and I have this vals map, and each time I create a key, like a plus b, and if my map get a, so I don't okay, so if my vals get key, so I actually can divide a by b. So if it's not null, then I just return vals get key. Otherwise, I also check if a is equal to null, then I just return -1. Okay, if it's not, then a, for example, I have a divided by c, right? And I have also a divided by b, and B divided by C. But I need to find this result. So what I'm doing here, I check that A divided by C I don't have in my map. So I go here. Then I get from map. I do return DFS call for but here I can get a different one. So I can get A divided by B, or I can get A divided by F, for example, right? So I can have like multiple ones. So here I should get a list of strings. So I do the following. I'm doing the following. So if map get A is equal to null, return -1. Otherwise, for string s int result, let's say -1, return result. Here I do DFS, result mass maximum of DFS, where I do map, where I do s, then then I have B. Okay, so here I'm gonna be. Yeah, but B, it would be always B. And then I have map and rows. Okay. Yes. So DFS this one. Here result. Okay, so it will actually my DFS call. Then I have this collect. So here I have map. This one. So let's collect. So how I would collect? Actually, I need to collect these equations. So I have list string of equations. So each equation, right? And each equation contains of 2 elements. So I can do like map map get or default by e get 0 new array list strings else not else, let's see, elements, and I'm actually have at e get 1 and then map put e get 0 else. So yeah, I have this equation. What next? Next, I have some I. And I can also add my vals. So by my vals, actually, I create new key. So key is actually created by e get 0 plus this one, e get 1, and yeah, and here it should be double. So vals add key and values I++. Okay. I can do something like this. All right, so here I collect, and now I can iterate actually. And what is more important, that while I'm doing this DFS, actually it should be double. And also each time I need to multiply it. I need to multiply it. So I have A divided by C here. But I know that with A, I can multiply actually all these things. And -1. Okay. So here will be double. And when so I need to also have some double here. Multiply by this D. And attendant. So for example, I have something like this: A divided by B, then B divided by F, and then F divided by C. And every time here I have like 1.5, here I have 2.3, here I have I don't know, 4. Yes. And 1.5 I should multiply by this value. So when I do this DFS, I also should D multiply by so when I have this S, right, here I have kind of key as well. A divide by S probably here should be this one. Okay, here I think that wells, yeah, so this key too. Okay, and next, and here I think it should be next D. Down double. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I think something like this. And here, yeah, and also I need to add these both things here. Then I have I equal to 0. Then I iterate through each of these queries. So here it would be Q queries, and at the end I should return result. And here in queries, so if my set contains false Q, let's say Q get 0, it would be string A and B. So if A contains false, then or set contains B false, what next? Yeah, then my result I would be equal to -1. The first one. Then if A equals B, then my result I would be equal to 1. Else if here I already have my values, I don't have them equal, but I can get in straight away in my let's say maps, right, or vals, straight away in my vals. So here I can create this key with A plus B, and if vals get key not equal to null, then just my result I would be a result from this false. Then else if I have reversed key, so for example I have B plus A, and whilst get this result, then my result I will be equal 1 divide so A divided by B, but I have like B divided by A. Okay, then I have this one. Else I do this DFS for A, B, map, okay, map, vals, and D. And then I have I++. Something like this. Let's run. What here? Else if probably I have this in between. So let's try to do this way. This way. Okay, run. 61. Mobs get. Here for this one. $25. Vals put. Okay, here possible lose conversion from double to int. Okay, I have results to be double. Okay, result 1.0. Cannot invoke double value because the return value of map is null. Okay. Okay, and this one. Not equal to null. Result to queries. Okay, this strange one. Okay, yeah. So it should be queries lengths and equations lengths. Let's check. Two. So here I have b divided by a, right? So I think I'm going here. So here's null. So a divided by b is null. But I check that if b divided by is not null, then I should do it this way. Okay, so here's correct. Here, a divided by c. I have 2. Here, 1.5, a divided by c. So here I have a divided by c. I don't know this information. Sorry. I have, yeah, a divided by c. I don't know this information, but I know a divided by b. So here I calculate a divided by b is 1.5. And here I have c and I have b. And I know that here bc. Okay, and here it should be d, also multiply, I think this way. Let's try. Okay, submit. Okay, so in this example, I have query a divided by b. A divided by b. Actually, output is -1, but it should be 133. Okay, I don't have this option, so I go here. Then, yeah, I need to get this option as well. So if a plus b is not null, but if so a divided by e would be 4, b divided by 3. So what option? Yeah, so it's like edge case here. So I have a divided by E, it would be 4, but I have E or B divided by E, and it would be 3. So I need to transform this to E divided by B, and it will 1.3, and then I have 4 multiplied by 1.3, so it would be like 4 divided by 3. And in this case, I need to get this information. So I have this reflection call with A, I take E, A divided by B. I have E, right? And here I have A equal to E and B also equal to E, actually. So, no. Here B. Yeah. Yeah, so I have this one. So I need to check, like, if vals get B plus A not equal to null, then I return D multiply by vals get. Here I can like divide 1.0 divide by this option, and yeah, probably I want to create this and this one, this one, and this one. Run. Equation values. Why it's not working? If I remove this, contribute test case. Okay, submit. Okay, I have another one. So here I have all queries correct except this one. So what I have here? Here I have x5 divided by x2. So I don't have such option, so I'm going to DFS option here. And here I have x5 and x2, right? x5 and x2. x5 and x2. So I don't have x5 on my maps, right? But I have x5, x4, x3, x3. Okay, I think that here I need to do also DFS of two actually cases. Yeah, I need to do like DFS of, it would be, let's call double left and double right. And with double right, I make DFS over so if I have A plus S, next D, A plus S. So I also have S plus E. S plus E. And here it will be 1 divide and A plus S. So x5. Yeah. No, it should be not. Yeah, it should be not left and right. But maybe. Yeah, maybe it should be like this. So I have this map. Map vals. Okay, I think that I would not solve it today, so thank you very much.